Did you know you can unlock extra rewards by using a promo code during registration on 1xBet? Here's how to do it. First, go to the 1xBet website or open the mobile app and click on Register. You'll see different registration options by phone, by email, social networks, or one click. Fill in the required details like your country, currency, and personal information. Now, look for the field that says Enter Promo Code. This is where the magic happens. Type in the promo code you have carefully without spaces or mistakes. Once entered, the system will link that promo code to your new account. This could unlock special bonuses like extra deposit rewards, free bets, or free spins. Finish the registration by confirming your details and creating your account. And that's it. You've successfully used a promo code during registration and unlocked extra rewards from the very start.